Is CoConstruct the right tool for your construction company? That's a question many are asking, and today we'll break it down to help you decide if this is the software you need to streamline your operations, improve communication, and boost efficiency. Stick around till the end because we'll also reveal how you can try CoConstruct for free with an exclusive bonus only available through the link below. Let's get into it. CoConstruct is a project management and communication tool designed specifically for the construction industry. The software offers a suite of features that aim to help builders and contractors manage projects from start to finish. If you're looking for a tool to simplify your processes, improve your team's collaboration, and ultimately increase client satisfaction, CoConstruct may be a game changer for your business. Next thing to consider is how CoConstruct handles project management. It allows you to track budgets, timelines, and tasks all in one place. You can monitor project progress in real time and have all the information at your fingertips. This means no more searching through scattered documents or emails. Everything is in one central location, which can save you a lot of time and effort, especially when you're managing multiple projects at once. The fourth thing you should know about CoConstruct is how it helps with client communication. One of the standout features is the ability to create client portals. This allows your clients to see updates, track budgets, and approve changes, which helps to keep everyone on the same page. By reducing misunderstandings and improving transparency, your clients will be more satisfied and confident in your services. Another important factor to keep in mind is how CoConstruct integrates with other software. Whether you're using QuickBooks for accounting or other construction-specific tools, CoConstruct integrates seamlessly, allowing you to consolidate all your systems into one platform. This integration saves you the hassle of managing multiple programs and ensures you're working with the most up-to-date information. Next, let's talk about the ease of use. One of the challenges of adopting new software is getting your team up to speed quickly. CoConstruct is designed with an intuitive interface, so your team won't need to spend weeks learning how to use it. Plus, there's excellent customer support available to help with any issues that may arise. Now, a major consideration when choosing software is pricing. CoConstruct isn't the cheapest option out there, but it offers great value for the features and benefits it provides. If you're serious about optimizing your construction projects, this could be a solid investment for your business. And here's the best part. If you're still unsure, you can try CoConstruct completely free with our exclusive bonus. Just click the first link in the description below to get access. So, is CoConstruct the right tool for your construction company? If you need a solution to streamline your processes, improve communication with clients, and ensure your projects run smoothly, it could be exactly what you're looking for. Remember, with the link below, you can start using CoConstruct for free and get access to exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.